but look at what you are going to gain. You did not lose this, and you gained this. It's hard to be against this strategy. Let's do a stock market update. Tesla is down $3.67, down 1.7%, closed at $211.88. Post-market, we are down by a further $1.53. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we knew we had a support zone, and we were not sure exactly where we would be bouncing or what. Yeah, so we bounced a couple of days on 212.28, and now we have broken the 212.28. We are at 211.88. This means that we have one last one until we start going a little bit lower. And that last one is at 204.47. In terms of the indicators, everything is in the tank, so it's definitely no time to buy. Of course, with Tesla, we have the earnings call next Wednesday. That might change things for the better. We'll see. In terms of the VIX, VIX is cooling off a little bit, down 5% today, but look at this. Look at this perfection. We are right smack. The body of the candle is right smack on the support. We have lost stochastic over 60, but so right now we can say that we are into a bullish pattern for the VIX. So the VIX is going higher. This is going to put downward pressure on the stock market. The 10-year bonds, same thing. This is also climbing. US dollar also, we are up a little bit. Let's look at our stock indices. So the indices are kind of indecisive. So we are going sideways. They don't know what they want to do so far. The big numbers that we are checking are 37,787. This one at the top right here. And this one at the bottom, 36,931. This is what we are looking for Dow Jones. SPX, it's 4807. And at the bottom one, 4694. And what is especially important with SPX is that we are close to breaking this previous top we had in January of 22. So when you buy and hold, this is what's happening. You buy and you hold. So you have lost 2 years. You have lost 2 years of gain because this is just going back to where it was. If you sell when it starts to go down, after you have a proof that it has gone down, if you sell, and then you can buy back when we are outside of the congestion zone, outside of the bearish channel right here. It's just following a line. It's following a line. And when it breaks outside of it, yes, sometimes there are some little flukes right here that makes you sell and buy back. That's fine. But look at what you are going to gain. You did not lose this, and you gained this. It's hard to be against this strategy. NASDAQ showing some bullish signs. So we are moving higher than the previous high we had December 11th. Yeah, so NASDAQ is strong, S&P not too much, and Dow Jones not too much. And we always like to have the three move in the same direction in order to confirm each other. QQQ, almost the same as NASDAQ. This one is a little bit less nice, but we still have a great stochastic and it wants to really break its previous high. Let's look at our EV stocks. BYD is into a downward channel. We don't touch that. Riviera into a downward channel also. This is the downward channel, but now it's stopping right here. It's stabilizing a little bit at 15.17. We'll see if this holds or not, but this is definitely not the time to buy. XPeng either. XPeng is in free fall. NIO pretty much the same thing. So EV stocks are not looking good. Let's look at our tech stocks. Apple doing pretty nice. So we are up 3%. This is a big move. And we have the earnings call in approximately 2 weeks. So we'll see what happens before then. But we still have a downward resistance that we need to break. This is not yet the buy impulse on the daily chart. On the 1 hour chart, I'm pretty sure that, yes, we have something. So it has broken 187 with a good stochastic. So yes, you can enter right here. Just be very careful of this. It could turn back right there. It's not the best. It's not the best entry. ARM up 6%. This one was pretty much picture perfect. It went from the resistance side, even outside a little bit, then boom, came back down to support, bounce, support again, and now it wants to move. So this one is strong. Palantir going sideways, NVIDIA inching higher also. Seems to want to break its bullish channel right here. So it's stronger than this. It's possible that it just shoots like this. It happens. There's always risk in any trade, or it could also come back to this side of the channel. Nobody knows. AMD, the same thing as NASDAQ, going almost vertical today. Gold going sideways, bouncing on 1541. Silver bouncing on 761. It's bouncing nicely. We have a green candle today. Bitcoin just going sideways. Ripple still above its support at 55, but at 54.8. But this is not looking very strong. Neo battery material, we are going even lower than this broader bullish channel. So this is now turning red. And Nouveau Monde graphite, we are on support at 227. We'll see if it holds. If it does not hold, then if you still have some of those shares, I would advise you to sell that. Enphase had a nice move right here, but this did not last. And the bullish channel is not even lasting. What can we do? Google is holding quite well, so we are still above 142.35. But yeah, this is still a nice entry right now. It's still a valid entry. It has been staying in this position for 1 week. So thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.